If you are new to the province, thinking of moving to the province, or even if you are a seasoned resident here in New Brunswick, here are the top 10 life hacks here in New Brunswick. To start off our list is that students have got special pricing for everything. So if you're a student, always have to have your ID with you whenever you leave the house. So this special pricing range with gym membership at the YMCA, or even the aquatic DF, second-hand stores, internet connections even. So there are special pricing for many things that you could buy here in the province, and always ask for that student pricing if you are a student. The second one is that there are various kids and family activities that are free at the YMCA. There are two centers at the YMCA here in Moncton. There is one in Von Harvey and the other one is in Moncton North. So both these centers provide various free activities for children and for family as well. As a matter of fact, YMCA does provide a 2-week free trial if you are not a member as yet. And I believe that this free trial is applicable every year to an individual. And the third one is that in Riverview, there is an aquatic center called the Pat Crossman Aquatic Center. This center does provide various family and kid activities that are for free as well. The Pat Crossman Aquatic Center is a public center which has got 6 lanes of 25-meter lap pool, which the public can take advantage of for free. Now, I certainly suggest that you check out their website, their Facebook page, and even call them for the various schedules that they have, most especially that we are running towards summer now. And talk about free family activities, there is a center called the Early Childhood Family Resource Center, and this organization have got 6 centers in and around New Brunswick that the public can take advantage of for free. This organization have got a website as well, together with Facebook page. Again, I recommend that you get in contact with them through their page and website and have a schedule on their various free activities. Now, on our 5th life hack here in New Brunswick for the active people, there are free tennis courts within and around the greater Moncton area. So in Moncton, there are at least 4 free courts that people can use during the summer season, and there are 2 free courts in DF that are for free for use by the public during the summer season as well. The 4 courts that are for free in Moncton are the Alexander Park, East End Park, Louisville Park, Mapleton Place Park, and in DF there is the St. Therese and the Matthew Martin School Ecole. Our 6th life hack here in New Brunswick is the free use of library and internet at the DF and Moncton Library. Now, these are not the only things that are for free in those library. You can also actually borrow various media from this library and return them at a later date. As a matter of fact, you can also extend and then return them at a later date shall you need them to be. Aside from those services, these libraries also offer various kids and family activities for free, and normally they would have their schedule available in their website and their Facebook page. Again, I certainly recommend that you check out their Facebook page and their website for their most updated schedule on the various activities that they have. If you are looking to adopt a pet and not necessarily willing to spend so much money, well, you are in luck, because that is our 7th life hack here in New Brunswick. Buying a pet here in the province can be truly expensive. It can drag you down at least $2,000 when you buy a certain pet, most especially if it's a dog. But if you're looking to have a pet but don't necessarily want to spend so much money, then you can certainly check out the Moncton SPCA, wherein they have got loads of pets, mostly cats and dogs, for adoption. Now, the pets themselves are free, but you will have to pay for the adoption fee, and the adoption fee could vary from 1 pet to another. So check out their website. They have got a ton loads of pet that needs to be loved and cared for, and I'm absolutely certain that you will find one pet that you will love for the rest of your life within the Moncton SPCA. Number 8 on our top 10 life hacks here in New Brunswick is save money by paying cash on certain shops here in the province. There are shops, certainly there are shops here that would accept cash payments. See, the thing is, whenever we pay in credit card or in debit card, there is a transaction fee that the shop needs to pay to process the payment. Now, if you will just casually ask the shop owner if you could pay in cash, many shop owners will tell you yes, and if they tell you no, well, no harm done really. And if they say yes, at least you save some money there when it comes to taxation. These shops could be the mom and pop shops, the second-hand shops, the garage or the mechanics or the independent garage that you will go to. Just casually ask, and many people here are actually very kind to be obliged on your request. Number 9 in our top 10 life hacks in New Brunswick is to save money on your oil services for your car. So what I do is that I buy my own oil from Walmart and then take this product to the garage, which is an independent private garage, and then just pay for the labor. I actually did my oil change just a week ago, and I paid $30 for the oil, and that $30 is already a 4-liter good advanced full synthetic kind of lubricant. And I took it to an independent garage within Moncton. I had the tire change. I only paid $50 for the whole thing, plus the oil I paid $80 in total. If I had taken my car in the car dealership, I would have certainly at a minimum paid $150, $160. But in this case, I did it in such a way that I paid cash, I bought my own oil, and I did the servicing in an independent garage, and therefore I saved 50% of the bill. The oil servicing is a basic kind of servicing. You do not necessarily need to be doing it with a car dealership. I don't think so, but if you have a certain contract that says that your maintenance will have to be done exclusively with the dealership, then that could be a term and condition in your car servicing that would limit you. Nevertheless, if you do not have such a contract, you are absolutely free to just do it the way I normally would do it and save money on this oil, regular oil servicing of your car. And our top 10 of the top 10 life hacks here in New Brunswick is be a member of Buy Nothing groups within the Greater Moncton area. There are many groups within Riverview, Dieppe, and Moncton. So this Buy Nothing groups is just a set of people who live in the same community, and they have got various things that they do not use anymore, and they just post it in these groups. And there are many decent and usable things that these people give out for free. Now the key thing here is that you have to be fast. The moment they post it, you have to immediately message the person who posted it and be ready to pick up the goods as soon as you can. And many of them, I certainly believe, because I have done it myself as well, there are many things that are absolutely usable and they are absolutely free. So those are the top 10 life hacks here in New Brunswick. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel and let me know in the chat box.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**.